T-Mobile Error 2 is one of the most frustrating messaging issues users face. This error appears as "can't send message" or "message failed to send" notifications on your device. Error 2 is fundamentally a network authentication failure. This means your device cannot properly authenticate with T-Mobile's SMS gateway, preventing messages from being sent through the network. This error is particularly common among four groups of users. iPhone users switching from other carriers often experience this issue due to incomplete network transitions. Android devices with outdated APN settings also frequently encounter this error, as do business customers using enterprise messaging solutions. Finally, users in areas with recent network infrastructure updates may experience Error 2 as systems adjust to new configurations. Now let's look at the 4 immediate troubleshooting steps that resolve approximately 78% of Error 2 cases. The first step is to reset your network settings. The second step is to reconfigure your APN settings. These are the access point name settings that tell your device how to connect to T-Mobile's network for data and messaging. Step 3 is to restart your device and allow it to re-register on the network. This refreshes your connection and can resolve authentication issues. The final step is to reseat your SIM card. Remove the SIM card from your device, wait a few seconds, then reinsert it firmly. This ensures proper physical connection to the network. These 4 troubleshooting steps resolve Error 2 in approximately 78% of cases. If your messaging issue persists after trying these solutions, advanced troubleshooting methods may be required. When initial troubleshooting steps don't resolve T-Mobile Error 2, it's time to implement advanced solutions. These methods have a combined success rate of 95% and address deeper configuration issues. The first advanced solution involves manually configuring your message center number. This is a critical setting that tells your phone where to route SMS messages through T-Mobile's network. Access your phone's messaging settings and locate the Message Center or SMS Center option. Enter the primary number +1 20631300004 or the secondary number +1 20631300005 if the first doesn't work. On Android devices, you can access these settings through your SIM card configuration menu. Navigate to Settings, then SIM cards, and look for Messaging or SMS Center options. Another advanced solution is adjusting your network mode settings. Set your phone to prioritize LTE first, then 3G, then 2G as a fallback. This ensures optimal connectivity with T-Mobile's network infrastructure. You can also verify and update your access point name settings. These screenshots show the typical APN configuration process on Android devices, where you can add or edit network access points. If all other methods fail, a factory reset may be necessary. This is a last resort that will erase all data on your device, so ensure you have a complete backup first. Access your device's reset options through Settings, then System or General, and look for Reset options. Follow the proper setup sequence after the reset to avoid recreating the same configuration issues. If your SIM card is older than 2 years, consider getting a replacement from T-Mobile. Older SIM cards may not support newer network authentication protocols, leading to persistent Error 2 issues. On iPhone devices, you may also see carrier settings update prompts. Always accept these updates as they contain important network configuration improvements from T-Mobile. To prevent Error 2 from occurring, follow these proactive strategies. Regularly verify your APN settings, especially after system updates or when switching carriers. Monitor for carrier setting updates on iOS devices and always install them promptly. Keep your device firmware updated to ensure compatibility with T-Mobile's evolving network infrastructure. Looking ahead, the telecommunications industry is moving toward universal RCS implementation by the end of 2025. This rich communication services standard is expected to significantly reduce Error 2 occurrences by providing more robust messaging protocols. This flowchart shows the evolution of messaging technologies leading to universal RCS. The transition represents a major advancement in mobile messaging, moving beyond traditional SMS limitations. These advanced solutions and prevention strategies provide comprehensive tools for resolving T-Mobile Error 2. Remember that the 95% success rate comes from systematically applying these methods. starting with Message Center configuration and progressing through network adjustments as needed.